What are the facts about the prescription drug Xarelto?
The attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group explain.
Xarelto is marketed by Bayer and Johnson & Johnson companies. It is prescribed for several main uses, including lowering the risk of blood clots for patients with arterial fibrillation, to treat deep vein thrombosis or pulmonary embolism, and to reduce the risk of blood clots for patients who are undergoing knee or hip replacement surgery. Xarelto is a prescription drug that was approved for use by the Food and Drug Administration in 2011. Xarelto is an anticoagulant medication that inhibits blood clotting. It is in the class of medications that are also known as blood thinners. Blood clotting is an important and necessary part of normal wound healing. However, in some patients, the blood coagulates when they are not injured. Improper blood clotting can cause clots to break off and travel in the bloodstream. When blood clots travel to the brain, the result could be a stroke. When they travel to the lungs, it can create pulmonary embolism, and when they travel to the legs, they may cause deep vein thrombosis. These are all serious conditions that can lead to death if they remain untreated.
For a free phone consultation, contact attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group, PA in Hallandale Beach, Florida today. With the right legal team behind you, Fenstersheib Law Group, PA will fight the system with you to get the compensation you are legally entitled to.